Yeah. Hello, fellow diamond painters. DP Crazy Lady here. It is the 31st. It is Sunday. It is May 2026, and it is 12:43 p.m. Uh, this is Paintsomeway, 40 by 70, 23 colors. It's a round, and it is Santa and his cat, and it is finished. Uh, I hope you really like it. I will tell you, I love this one. Uh, the canvas, the stick on it is really good. The glue, the drills are good. I have plenty left over. Um, the detail, uh, it was just fantastic. It really is. And like I said, a lot of you out there buy the most expensive uh, paintings sometimes, and yeah, they're worth it too. But these are worth a try. I mean, I know it may take a while to get them, but once you get them, they're worth it. If there's an issue, they will make it right. This is Paintsomeway. I'll have the link in the description below for this particular painting, and then you can go through and look at all the others. Uh, I really love this one. I love the cat. I like Santa, the background, the wording. Uh, it's very detailed, very detailed. So I wanted to make sure that I got this out there for y'all, and to Paintsomeway, and thanking them so much for that this last PR package. They've sent me a new one. Uh, should be here one day next week. I'm excited to get with it. It's something I wanted to try in diamond painting. So, I hope you're going to enjoy. You've enjoyed the weekend. Uh, Monday's coming. Dog will go to the vet, and we shall see what we shall see. So, uh, not sure what I'm going to be working on. Maybe one of my other paintings that I had started until the new PR packages show up, and then we'll go from there. So, hope you enjoyed this painting. Like I said, visit them. It's worth it. Even if you just try one and see what you think. I mean, it doesn't hurt. So, have a good one. Sorry, this is a little short, but I wanted to get this painting out there so they can see that it's finished. And I truly love it. So, have a good one. Hugs to you all. I'll get back with you guys tomorrow evening or Tuesday, and we'll go from there. So, love you, DP Crazy Lady. I'm out.